Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should unlock the device, and now just should go to the movies HF. Now just here you can tap on it. You got to apply the mirror rain theme, and here just to edit the theme, to customize that, you can tap here on this edit icon, or also if you want you can just set the another theme of your always on display feature. For example, this one, just tap here to apply. You can edit here on the left down corner by tap here to this edit icon and change the colors, but I think you should pay for that. You can change the speed of I think you can change the color, and in the advanced options you can change the color of the clock and more info. And just to save, I think you should just pay for that. Here on the right upper corner you can also just customize the AOD mode. Just here, as can you see, we can switch the show on our screen lock always while all charging, or just when you play the music. Also we can change here the timeout of our AOD mode. For example, we can make it we can just set to never turn it off, or also just in 10 minutes after you unlock your device. Also, like in brightness, for example, we'll make it 90%. Also you can just close your AOD by double tap or by single tap. For example, we can change that to the single one. Also you can close on by fingerprint. You can just show music on your lock device on the AOD mode. Also we can enable the to show the notifications. Just tap here to tap to allow. Now just go back. Also we can here see the notification preview. Also we can hide our music control after 30-60 seconds, or just never, for example. Also can here enable the calendar, and here we can see the status of our battery, always while charging or never. For example, we'll go here with the always one, and now just go back, and we'll just lock our device and see. As can you see, we just customize our always on display feature on CUBOT R19. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.